This is my cardboard hydraulic bridge. Watch what happens when I push this syringe. The water pressure lifts the bridge up. It moves smoothly and easily. Today I am building a rain harvester. This sloping roof will collect all the water. It runs through these pipes into the tank. Let's see how it works. This is my rainwater harvesting model. The rain falls on the roof. It collects right here in the tank. This saves water for our planet. Let's make a solar oven. First, carefully cut a flap in the lid. Next, line the inside with foil. This will reflect the sunlight. Check out my DIY solar oven. It uses foil to reflect the sunlight. And look, the marshmallow is actually melting. It really works for a science fair. Now I connect the motor. Let's see if it works.